Medical topics without being a nerd about it. We're going to talk about high output heart failure and how that relates to my 2005 Camry. The first way you can have high output heart failure is hyperthyroidism. Think you're just flooring the gas. Everything is running hot, not being a sustainable situation. Eventually, your engine's going to get tired. Your engine being your heart, you can get heart failure. The second cause could be pregnancy. Think instead of an 05 Camry, you are now powering a bus. Your volume of distribution is larger in pregnancy. You have a baby to think about and the mother. Your engine has to work harder to supply blood or gasoline to the entirety of that larger vehicle. The third commonly one is severe anemia. Instead of gasoline, think that you are pushing maple syrup throughout your car. It is a very thick fluid, so now your engine has to work harder to push that fluid. Why do you have to work harder? Because if you have a limited amount of oxygen delivery in your very thick blood, your heart needs to work harder to push that, to deliver oxygen to your organs. That's the third reason. The fourth reason, let's say it's beriberi, right? Or a severe thiamine deficiency. Why do we care about that? That can result in a difference in how your blood vessels or how your pipes in your car work. You have more vasodilation, sort of like sepsis. So in a dilated blood vessel that has to have a lower resistance, your engine needs to work harder to supply gasoline to that part of your car. Because if blood vessel is big, if pipe's big, you need to work harder to push stuff there. You have less resistance. That's physics. The fifth is a little more obscure. They talk about Paget's disease, and I think what they're getting at is if you have bone remodeling, right? If the pipes within your vehicle have large turnover, and whenever you have a turnover of bone, those are highly vascularized things. So if you have high turnover of bone that are highly vascularized, if you have a lot more pipes to send gasoline to, your engine has to work harder as a result. That one's a little more obscure.